Today we have a 2009 Toyota Corolla with a blown head gasket that is causing a no start condition. This car came in with intermittent no start, which means the car won't start sometimes. So I already did a full system scan on the vehicle and it had a bunch of misfire codes in the history, which was not helpful. So I was checking for spark, fuel and timing and bunch of other things, and they all looked okay. After doing a bit of research, I found that this is a common issue on Toyota's 1.8 liter engines, where a blown head gasket between cylinders will cause a crank no start condition. And this will also cause low compression in all 4 cylinders. So the next thing I did was a compression test. These are the actual numbers this engine should have, and these are the results I got from doing the compression test. So if you ever run into Toyota's 1.8 engines with the same crank no start, do a compression test before testing everything.